Hello, Professor. Our project is about remote PC through mobile, and the project is about the mobile technology is widely used by everyone. By using the mobile technology, we can communicate with others from anywhere. We operate the PC through run command or mouse, and televisions are operated by remote control. In the same way, our project is designed to access PC through a mobile. Going into the details, the remote PC through mobile is a J2ME mobile application project which is used to operate PC through a mobile. In this project, we have two main options for accessing a PC through mobile. They are run command mode and mouse mode. In the present system, we operate the PC through a keyboard or a mouse, which works only when we are in front of the system. It is not possible to operate the PC from any corner of a room. But the proposed system is to overcome the drawback of an existing system. We propose a system where we can use and we can operate the PC through mobile from any corner of a room where your PC resides. Usually this will be within 100 meters of perimeter. And the modules are in this project, we have like two modules. They are like server and client. In the client, run command mode and mouse mode. And the system requirement specifications for our project is the hardware requirements are processor. It should be like Intel Pentium dual core, and the RAM we are using is 512 MB, and the hard disk is 160 GB. And the software requirements are the operating system is Windows XP. It is compatible with Windows XP 7 and 8, and the compatible technologies are Java 1.6 and J2ME. The tools we are using is Sun Java Wireless Toolkit. And the mobile requirements, the mobile connectivity should be either Bluetooth or data cable, and the phone memory should be minimum 10 MB, and the mobile should be Java supported mobile. And coming to the design of our use case diagram, sequence diagram for the server, and the sequence diagram for the client, and we also imported the class diagram, and we also had the collaboration diagram for the server, the collaboration diagram for the client, and the activity diagram for the server. And coming to the expected final result, we already tried uh, executing the project, and I just added some screenshots for the output which we got. Uh, Here are some of the screenshots. And this is our project, sir. Thank you.